Hello and welcome back to another video by yours truly, NewYorkSteelo. Where today we're gonna cover something a little more serious here. We're definitely gonna discuss why I was gone, what happened to me throughout those 10 years, what led me to leave YouTube, answer some of the more common questions, and kickstart what it is that I want to do here moving forward. Obviously, it's a big change. I'm out here in front of the camera talking to you guys, and you're going to see a lot of that, a lot more of that. We're going to talk about it, so stay tuned. Let's get busy here.